Here is how to create a repeating calendar event on iPhone. If you have set quite a lot of reminders for your upcoming events, then you can create recurring or repeating calendar events on iPhone. Here is how you can do this. Open Calendar. Select an upcoming date to create a new repeating appointment. Select your preferable date. Tap the plus icon from the top right corner of the screen. Give a title. For me, I'll say meeting, for example. Next, you can add location or video calling app if you want. If you want to set this for whole date, enable all day. Select start time, which I'll choose 12 p.m. and I'll choose ending time 3 p.m. You can travel time, but I'll skip it. Here is the important part. Now you need to set repeat. Tap repeat. You select any of this given time, or you can tap custom if you want. Also, set end to repeat time. Scroll down a little, tap alert. Make sure to select your alter time according to your needs. Now tap add at top right corner. Here you have it. So guys, that's how you can create a reoccurring repeating calendar event on iPhone. Now still, if you have anything to ask, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.